Hi there, I'm Phil Layoso, Assistant Engineer with the City of Fairfield Public Works Department. You are now watching Street Smarts. Today, we're talking about the newest project that will be hitting the streets of Fairfield in 2024. The Adaptive Intersection Project consists of installing an AI-driven traffic management software to help the flow of traffic. The software uses real-time data to determine the best intersection timings plan to allow for the free flow of traffic along major city intersections and its corridors. The city has installed this software in pilot locations and will be using the Adaptive Intersection Project as its first big-scale operation along the busy corridors of Travis Boulevard and North Texas Street. The project will install cameras and software along the corridors of Travis Boulevard between Oliver Road and North Texas Street, and on North Texas Street from Travis Boulevard to the signalized intersections at Walmart Supercenter. After installation, the software will need a few weeks to acclimate to the everyday patterns along the corridors. Construction started on January 8, 2024, and will take about 3 to 4 months to complete. So please anticipate delays during this time along Travis Boulevard and North Texas Street and plan accordingly. Thank you, and hope to see you next time on Street Smarts.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.